In 2025, the condition of the world is worse than ever before. Countries are falling into war, economies are crashing, and people are losing trust in leaders. Natural disasters, political corruption, and widespread injustice are becoming normal. Millions of people are living without food, clean water, or safety. In such a time, Muslims all over the world are turning their eyes toward one hope: the coming of Imam Mahdi. Imam Mahdi is the promised leader in Islam who will appear near the end of times. He will be a righteous man from the family of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. He will not bring a new religion, but will revive the true teachings of Islam that many have forgotten. He will rule with justice when the world is full of injustice. His arrival is not just a story, it is a serious belief based on authentic hadiths and agreed upon by scholars from both Sunni and Shia schools of thought. Today, the signs of his coming are clearly visible. There is division among Muslims, wars are destroying Muslim countries, injustice is everywhere. The poor are getting poorer and the rich are using their power for evil. Leaders are failing to protect their people. Violence is spreading, not only in the Middle East, but also in Europe, Africa, and Asia. These are not small problems. They are global signs that match the descriptions found in hadiths about the time before Imam Mahdi. One major situation that has caught everyone's attention is the rising conflict between Iran and Israel. For many years, this tension has grown, but in 2025, it has reached a dangerous level. Threats of war, missile attacks, and airstrikes are increasing. Other countries are getting involved, making this a global issue. Some experts are even saying that this could lead to World War III. While governments try to prevent war, people are looking for real change, not from presidents or kings, but from a guided leader sent by Allah. Many Muslims believe that Imam Mahdi may appear during a major war. This belief is based on hadiths that describe a great battle in the Middle East, especially near Syria and Iraq. It is said that people will suffer so much that they will begin to call out for help, and then Imam Mahdi will appear. He will not come with luxury or political support. He will come as a humble man, and people will recognize him by his character, his knowledge, and his truthfulness. In some narrations, it is mentioned that he will first appear in Makkah. A group of sincere Muslims will recognize him and give him their pledge of support near the Kaaba. At first, he will refuse leadership, but when the world becomes more dangerous, he will accept it because it will be his duty to guide people and stop oppression. After this, armies will try to fight him, but Allah will protect him and those who stand with him. Imam Mahdi will not fight for power. He will fight for truth. He will bring peace to lands that were destroyed by war. He will return the rights of the oppressed and punish those who committed injustice. Under his rule, there will be fairness, safety, and justice. Even animals and the environment will benefit from his leadership. Rivers will flow again, crops will grow, and people will live with dignity and faith. Muslims are not just waiting in silence. In many countries, especially in places like Iraq, Pakistan, Lebanon, and Syria, people are studying the signs of the Mahdi. Scholars are giving lectures, youth are researching. There is a wave of spiritual awakening among people who had lost hope in governments. They are preparing themselves, not with weapons, but by improving their faith, character, and actions. They believe that when the Mahdi comes, he will not need big armies at first. He will need sincere believers who are ready to support truth without fear. In cities like Karbala and Najaf, people gather to pray for the safety of the Ummah and for the early appearance of the Mahdi. They remember the sacrifices of the past, especially from the family of the Prophet, and prepare to be part of the future change. Mosques around the world are witnessing more people attending, especially the youth who feel a strong spiritual pull towards something greater than daily life. Technology is also playing a role. Lectures, reminders, and hadiths about Imam Mahdi are spreading quickly through YouTube, Telegram, and social media. Short clips explain how to recognize him and what Muslims should do when he appears. The awareness is growing. The desire for truth is growing. People are tired of lies, and they are searching for real leadership that brings unity, not more division. Imam Mahdi will not only unite Muslims, he will bring justice for all people, even non-Muslims. Those who live under his rule will experience fairness and peace regardless of their background. He will break the systems of corruption and replace them with the system of Islam, not by force, but by the truth itself.